regarding this Bharat Pradakshin Yatra. I have done the routing through the Google Maps and broken down the entire route, which is the circumference of the entire Bharat, outline of India. So it is broken down into 7 steps, so 7 legs rather. So each leg will be covering a certain point to point. Likewise, entire India outline is covered in the route by road. So that is the basic crux of this message. However, the details of those maps are given in the description. Now, as of now, it is bye-bye to Leh, that is Leh entrance. So it is bye-bye to Leh for the time being. Wonderful time I had here. Now I am proceeding to Sumoriri Lake. By evening I will reach Sumoriri Lake, beautiful place, and my next destination. So now signing off. We'll meet again next recording, next content. This is the beautiful route towards Sumoriri Lake. See the vast mountain ranges, limitless, endless mountain ranges. This is on the way to Somoriri Lake. This is the location just spotted. Probably you can name this as Second Heaven. You can see this. See the greener patches, green plantations, and above those monumental mountains in this serene stream of water. What more you want? Exhilaration. You see the Trishul on the top of the hill, because here the Trishul operation was conducted, and there is a Trishul operation Smarak is also there here. Trishul operation Martyrs Memorial. So as a mark of respect, the Trishul was put on the top of the hill. This is the place of Karo military base, which will take care of the eastern Ladakh. So this is Karo military base. They take care of entire eastern Ladakh, guardians of eastern Ladakh. So that is Trishul on the top of the hill. Ah, beautiful. Fantastic views, superb scenic location, pristine waters, pure water. On the way to Sumoriri, by the side of the highway. Superb, beautiful, scenic location. The waters are continuing, stream is continuously flowing along the stretch of this road. Such a beautiful location with all mountains surrounding. This is a rock heritage site of Ladakh. Found these very unique slopes of the mountains, very unique. A monastery, Buddhist monastery on the top of the hill, beautiful to see, lovely view. Find different color combination here. This slope is in pinkish and the other one is green grayish. What a nature. Wow, such a wonderful combination, naturally formed. Beautiful stream on the sides, lovely road. Sumoriri Lake is still 87 kilometers from here. Time is 2:30. By the time we reach Sumoriri Lake, it will be 5. Beauty. Two barren mountains. In between there's a snow cap mountain. Beautiful. Now up to Sumoriri, the entire stretch, it is about 65 kilometers. It will be like this only, with this road only. There is no tar road, only this rough, muddy road. On my way to Sumoriri Lake, suddenly this beautiful lake appeared from nowhere. Wow, what a beautiful lake, what a beautiful location. It's amazing. Look at this place. Beautiful, divine actually. You must see the surroundings. My car Seltos, the surroundings, green hills, brown hills, ice-capped hills. Everything is there, and in between this divine lake. This is beautiful. As if some angels will come down in midnight and they may take bath in this beautiful lake. It is so beautifully decorated. Such a wonderful piece, masterpiece. Wonderful. So this is on my way to Sumoriri Lake. So another 20 kilometers is there. So suddenly I found this lake. The sun is also going to set. I have to go there and watch the sunset and record the sunset as well. So now with this I'll just see that beautiful lake. Devata Sarasu, that's the name I gave it to. Angel's Lake. I don't know, there is no name to it as of now. So this is my name to it. It's a beautiful lake, beautiful picturesque location. We are approaching Sumoriri Lake, my destination. Today I'm going to stay here, see that beautiful lake. That is Sumoriri Lake. Wow, what a sight. road is very bad, but it's fine as long as we have beautiful location. We'll forget rest of the pains without any problem. All beautiful places. We have bad roads. So that is also one way positive only. It will give more satisfaction. It will be more sweeter if all these pains end into a fantastic result. That result will be very sweet. Is it not? Very tasty, very delicious. See that? That is Somoriri Lake. One of my dream destinations. This is majestic, isn't it? The Himalayan peaks with snow caps and the blue Somoriri Lake lying at the foot of the foot range of Himalayas, spreading about 26 kilometers lengthwise and 5 kilometers breadthwise. And this is the biggest lake at this high altitude, and entirely which is there in India. The entire lake is in India only, this one. So that way this is the biggest lake. Otherwise Pangong is bigger than this, but only 60% is in India, I think. Balance 40% is in China. So if that, considering that, within India this lake stands first at this high altitude as biggest lake. ఈ రోజు భాద్రపద మాసం శుద్ధ పౌర్ణమి. నేను సుమోరురి లేక్లో ఉన్నాను, లే దగ్గర, లడక్ స్టేట్లో. ఇక్కడ చక్కటి చంద్రోదయం అవుతోంది, అద్భుతమైన చంద్రోదయం. శుద్ధ పౌర్ణమి నాడు అద్భుతమైన చంద్రోదయం. భాద్రపద మాస పౌర్ణమి నాడు నేను సరిగ్గా ఇక్కడ సుమోరురి లేక్ దగ్గర హోటల్లో ఉన్నాను. హోటల్ గదిలో నుంచి చక్కగా నా గది కిటికీ నుండి చక్కటి దృశ్యం కనిపిస్తోంది. అద్భుతం, చంద్రోదయం. ఆ వెండి కొండల వెనక నుంచి పైకి లేస్తున్న చంద్రుడు, హిమాలయాల వెండి కొండల వెనక నుంచి. ఎంత అద్భుతమైన దృశ్యం, ఎంత అదృష్టం. నేను కనిపించను, ఎందుకంటే ఇదంతా చీకటిగా ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే ఆ చంద్రోదయం అంత సరిగ్గా కనిపించదు. కాబట్టి నేను మొత్తం చీకటి చేశాను గదిని. సుమోరేరి సరస్సులో చంద్రుడి ప్రతిబింబం, పూర్ణ చంద్రుడి ప్రతిబింబం. ఆహా, అద్భుతం, నా అదృష్టం. మీ అందరికీ ఆ అదృష్టం కలగాలని రికార్డ్ చేసి మీ అందరితో కూడా పంచుకుంటున్నా. అదిగోండి, ఇక్కడ సుమోరిరి దగ్గర 30 సెప్టెంబర్ ఈరోజు ఉదయం సుమోరిరి సరస్సు దగ్గర హిమాలయాల శిఖరాల వెనక నుంచి సూర్యోదయం. నిన్న సాయంత్రం భానోదయం, ఈ ఉదయం సూర్యోదయం. కానీ దురదృష్టవశాత్తు అక్కడ మబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి, అంత క్లియర్గా కనిపించట్లేదు. కానీ అద్భుతం, దృశ్యం మాత్రం అద్భుతం. అర్ధరాత్రి సమయంలో -2 degreesకి వెళ్ళింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ సుమోరురు లేక్. సచ్ ఎ మ్యాజెస్టిక్ లేక్. Beautiful surroundings as always you find in Himalayas, and in these Himalayas you find this lake which gets its feed from top glaciers. There are two entry points as I understand, and that water comes here, becomes slightly salty, and that lake is formed due to those glaciers. This is slightly salty lake, 26 kilometers in length, 5 kilometers in width. Biggest lake or largest lake at this high altitude in India. So that is amazing. So much worth it is to come all the way to Somoriri Lake. This point, it's worth it really.